So Google finally sent me out the Google Pixel 6 Pro. They sent me the email way long ago. I just forgot to respond to it. So finally got in. I wasn't even going to make a video about this, but who cares at this point? So this is the 6 Pro. I am getting the 6, and you guys already know a bunch of comparisons, bunch of reviews are going to be coming out for this. So it'll feel like you actually almost own this phone by the time I'm done comparing it and reviewing it, just like all the other phones I've done. So now they actually have this pull tab instead of all the plastic going around, nothing else at the bottom of this phone. Now we do actually end up having the Pixel 6 Pro right out the gate, which is so nice, and I'm acting like I haven't seen any unboxing yet. So this phone actually feels way more premium than I thought. So taking off the top, so now it's kind of more papery than plasticky, and we can go ahead and turn this phone on. Now right out the gate, I am getting very strong Galaxy Note 10 vibes from this specific phone, with the curved glass on the side, with the standard glass back, and then with the USB Type-C port at the bottom, which is like almost like in every single phone. This feels almost identically like a Galaxy Note 10 or even a Galaxy Note 9 even, and that's actually pretty impressive. It looks like a Galaxy Note 10, which is so crazy, which is not a bad thing. That was a beautiful design phone. Now in the box, we do have the charging cord, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, which is beautiful. You have this dongle, which I don't really know why they still put these dongles in. I feel like a lot of devices are already with USB Type-C, so I don't really understand, but it's totally okay. But I will be honest, I would much rather have a charging block than this little thing, or to be honest. Now within this little portion, if we go and take this up, it's probably a little pamphlet. I really don't think anybody cares about it, but this is one of the smallest pamphlets I've ever seen, and you also have a SIM card eject tool, which is amazing. So that's really it inside of the box. There's not a whole lot else going on here, which is perfectly fine. Now with the phone itself, this is actually pretty crazy. It feels really, really premium. Now I still think something like an iPhone 13 Pro that I have right here kind of feels a little bit more premium, I think, overall. Even feeling it on the back, I like the frosted glass back. This is probably the best way they've actually gone. Now, I do think in terms of a Pixel device, this is, I think, the most premium Pixel they've ever made. I've owned every single Pixel that has ever came out. And, I think the Nexus 4 may have been the best feeling, stock Android phone, to be honest. But this is a very premium feeling phone, and this actually runs on Android, which is really awesome as well. So I actually don't know if the embargo lifted or not. I think it actually lifted today, which is really impressive. So I'm not going to go do anything super crazy, but I will tell you, man, this phone right out the gate feels extremely premium. To give you some perspective, this is the previous Google Pixel, which is the Pixel 5. And when you look at these, I mean, this is the 6 Pro, so this isn't like, apples to apples here. But man, when you look at these two phones, they are so impressive, and I'm actually really happy with the route Google kind of chose to go with this specific phone. So we'll kind of see how it goes. I'm really happy about the 6 Pro, and I'll keep you guys updated, and tomorrow I'll probably drop like 30 comparisons. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.